All right, gamers. I think we have a recording started right now.
Yep.
This is Metal for Fish coming at you.
And Falcon, or Dreams, actually.
Dreams. Well, okay. If you said Dreams, no one will know who the hell you're talking about.
Yeah.
So the sponsor formerly known as Falcon.
Yeah.
We got a. Oh, Jesus. C-Drive knows that this is coming, and he chooses this matchup of all the characters that he plays.
Okay. Okay.
He's a glutton for punishment.
He's just confident in it, I guess. Like,
yeah.
He likes that DK.
And it's one of those things where, DK, sure, he will get hit by like a million forwarders and theirs by Ness, but he will also excel on stage. And if BK's match is not on point, he will get kind of like, he'll cargo throw and then just kind of jump off and throw him on stage. Ooh, that's going to be that PK fire something for DK to escape though. Yeah, drag down. Man, that's so dirty. And the worst part is I know that's not always true, but it is true sometimes, right? Like, I have a hard time deciphering, like, okay, when's it true and when's it not, right? I think it definitely has to do with, well, one character, 2%. Mm-hmm. Oh, Sakurai, why?
That was nice. Good awareness on C-Drive to get that back.
Yeah, for sure.
And then he gets another back here to get that stop and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, he did not get that 1% combo, so only 50% off that grab, which, still decent, I guess.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I was about to say BK is going to have to do some harassment with these.
Good. Right. Oh my.
Right into his pause. Right into his pause.
Wait. Oh my gosh. He was miles ahead of him right there.
Yeah, I thought he was going to, like, maybe try to bring air dodge and go, like, up air, but instead he did, like, the even bigger brain, like, I know you're going to air dodge and then, like, land. Yeah. That was amazing. And right now, considering what it was, BK definitely worked some percent back onto this large monkey. Mm-hmm. And we're within 13%. Both these characters are going to be killing decently early. I know that DK's heavy, but Ness is a character with a lot of good kill potential. Yep. And right now, harassing him. Okay, I'm going to C-Drive this time rather than air dodging straight to the ground. Knows better and just jumps away. And that's going to be really hard. Yeah. Once you do have ledge load, especially, like, I don't think it's possible that it's possible not all characters will be able to hit Ness with Get Up Protector, but Donkey Kong's Get Up Protector is huge. Yeah. Slams down that giant fist. Okay, and actually, like, kind of bumped off the side of the stage, right? Downward air dodge. I thought I was going to need it, to be honest. To be quite honest, 0-0, back to where we started. Exactly. Okay. And now BK content to play however, 33%.
Oh, 2 back here.
Oh! He wanted it off, and he wanted it now.
Pixels away. Very close to it.
Yeah, this back here is really hard for Ness to contend with. Ness does have a lot of destructs, but that Donkey Kong back here reaches so far and comes out so fast. Yep. Okay, being rolled back here. Boy.
BK just kind of walling well right here.
Mm-hmm. But it's really, like, right now, they're pretty much both at a spot where I would get killed very shortly. Yep. And smart of BK, a lot of times you'll see Ness do the BK fire and then go for a grab. But knowing that C-Drive was going to jump out, he went for 40 instead. Yep. And now at 127, that landing near is going to be good. Oh, the big finger running off the platform, and that will take it.
Nice stuff there from BK.
Yeah, super back and forth all that match. At the end of the day, I think kind of what we brought up at the beginning of the match ended up being the determining factor of this, the fact that Donkey Kong is so big and it's going to get hit by so many things.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it just kind of gets comboed to oblivion. No.
Okay. Never mind. Continue. You guys are doing great.
Blake got all around because he thought there were 2 Nesses on the stage on the screen again. The whole bracket was held up because BK and Blarasmu did a Ness Ditto. And they're the 2 people in charge of the bracket. Yeah. Which is fine. We're gonna get done on time anyway. But Yeah, I believe Bkay had clutched out, what, 2-1? Yeah, I mean, it would have had to have been. It took so long. Okay, now this is exactly where I thought C Drive was going to start with product plan. Just a lot better, like being able to wall out Ness with Patui. I do not know how Psy Magnet and Poison Cloud interaction goes, but I know that Ness cannot Psy Magnet with Patui. So, Psy Magnet, obviously, in this game, I think got a huge buff. Having a hitbox, it seems like it's a better movement option for Ness than it was, and it was still a pretty good movement option in Smash 4, but even better now in this game. Oh, I'm really surprised they got that grab out. Yeah.
There's some grab out there.
One thing, if a slow moving Patui is coming, Ness will be able to baseball bat, but I don't think we're really going to see that come into play, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. It seems very situational.
Mm-hmm. You never know, though.
You never know. If it does happen, it will be high. Yeah. Okay, it goes for the forward throw. That's something that C Drive does have in Smash 2, is he does have that up throw, kill throw. Speaking of kill throws, no, I think he was trying to pummel to get him at kill percent, but Plant is pretty heavy. Okay, really smart actually going above. We'll see if Bkay adapts to those high recoveries.
Recovery up there is good.
Yeah, and he didn't really even have to adapt, he just was able to chase him down.
Good option there.
Okay, so what, we have those Warrior coming out from C Drive? Yep. Ness having so much drift, aerial drift. Sometimes even when he's in free fall.
What?
He's
up
okay,
there.
Alright.
Four up there.
I thought he was possibly at it with a PK missile. And I think DK was trying to get a down smash out, but ended up actually accidentally just holding down Taker and Rapid Jack came out. Alright, we see kill throw coming out from C Drive. And we'll have some percent to make up. I think C Drive's Plant is good, but like I don't know, like I don't really know even if Plant has a combo game, but it seems like probably like the one thing that he's not getting like crazy percent off of each interaction. Yeah. Just more so plays neutral and plays his own game as opposed to getting crazy combos. And Bkay is definitely gonna be very content to just sit there and throw. He gets runner out there. You don't hate it. Once they see INX get killed from anywhere.
And if the CJ could be going into losers right here, right now.
Yeah. Bkay, first tournament of the new season, showing that he is leveled up. Yep. That'd be sick.
Definitely.
Okay. Ooh. No conversion off of that down here on stage. Okay, Patui, yeah. What, did you have enough later? Where it's like, I'm going to see what's happening up here. I'm going to get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, C-Drive wasn't, I think just got nervous and was not sure exactly what he should do for punish. Yeah. At the end, just like hesitating too long, and ended up just doing a job. Okay.
Poison Breath definitely going to be a really scary ledge trapping tool.
For sure.
Has been, definitely will continue to be in this matchup.
That's up throw. So that's actually 2 kills with up throw now that C-Drive is pulled off. And we'll see, C-Drive has been known to do some crazy comeback shenanigans. Yep. Specifically against me. So we'll see if he can pull out something here. I would have went with down throw because he did a back kill there. But stage positioning, I don't know, probably either like forward throw at that point.
Up there,
that conversion was so sick.
That was really nice stuff there from Bkay.
And it does not give C-Drive the chance to pull out a third character because the Ness is on fire.
Is that Winners Finals?
No.
Because
he's in Winners bracket.
He's going to Winners Finals.
Yeah, he's on his way to Winners Finals.
Yeah, that's crazy.
First tournament of the season, definitely a good spot to be in.
Winners Finals.
Let's go. Oh, heart is beaten. Alright, well, you'll probably see us up on stream. Well, it's not a stream.
Probably.
If you're browsing through YouTube videos, find Dreams versus Metal for Fish next. Any words for the viewers before we take off?
Just good stuff to both players, and I'm excited to play my friend here at Metal for Fish.
Alright, let's do it.